Hey folks, Keith with 93 Lumber coming back at you with another beer. It is currently thunderstorming, so if the lights go out or if there's a loud noise, just don't worry. That's what it is. This is Oddbird. It is their Party Fowl Mexican style pale lager. It is 5% alcohol by volume. This is the canned 3 beers, I believe. I got 2 4-packs. One of I got this one and I got the IPA, and then I think they canned. I think they canned one other one that I wasn't really that interested in. So, yeah, I'm having this for the first time. I don't remember. It was like a month ago, I would say. Actually, it was probably over a month ago at this point. But, yeah. Cat hair on everything. Yeah, looks pale. It's a nice, like, pastel yellow. Clear. Quite clear. And yeah, that's like a finger and a half. Yep. Finger and a half of a nice white head. Nice, like, solid foamy head. Yeah. Looks good. Let's see what it smells like. Yeah, that smells very nice. There's a little bit of corn in there, but it's just like a soft maltiness. A little bit of like a soft hay kind of thing, but yeah, definitely corn. Yeah, it smells really nice. Let's see what it tastes like. Cheers. It is very corn forward. Like, to the point where I definitely don't think it's an off flavor. I think it's just very corn forward. Yeah. It's a chugger. It is crispy. A little bit of prickly carbonation. There is a little bit of like a creamed corn kind of thing going on it's very subtle, and it's very short-lived. Yeah. Like I said, it is thunderstorming right now. But if I had drank this earlier, it would have been way nicer because it was super gross outside. But yeah, I love Oddbird and all the things that they do. Yeah, I don't think other than styles that I don't really I'm not really like a fan of because I'm getting older, so like there's sours and stuff, or they're more tart beers. I get like acid reflux and stuff really easily now, so I don't drink a lot of that stuff. But like their IPAs are good, and their darker beers are good, and yeah. I got a soft touch of like a fruity thing. It didn't last long enough for me to what it was. I want to say it was like either like a stone fruity thing or like a grape thing. Grape skin, whatever. Yeah, maybe a soft melon. I think soft melon is where I will land that. But yeah, good beer, great brewery, and yeah. I feel like I want to talk more about it, but there's not much to say. So yeah. I will add one more thing. Before I was gonna say like, oh, it kind of tastes like buttered popcorn, like off flavor kind of thing, but it's definitely not that. Definitely. But that, like the first sip or two, I was a little worried, but it's definitely just very corn forward. But yeah, so anyways, I hope you're all doing well, taking care of yourselves, taking care of each other. You can like this video if you'd like to, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. You can follow me on Instagram at 93lumber, that's spelled out, 93lumber. We will see you in the next one. Cheers.